Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Shariza and everyone. We are from Group 1 and we will present about the knowledge management strategies in E-Idaman Sendirian Berhad. First of all, I would like to introduce our group members that consist of 5 persons. Firstly, Fawanis Afrina binti Ahmad Afendi, Sarah Nawajihah binti Abdul Wahab, Sharifah Nusazli binti Said Mustafa, and me, Siti Fatimah binti Murad, and Zizi Julana binti Muhammad Razali. We will start with the E-Idaman organization background. So, E-Idaman Sendirian Berhad was incorporated in 2002 and E-Idaman is a waste management solution provider and it is jointly owned by Metacorp Berhad and Sembero Sendirian Berhad. E-Idaman operate in the northern state of Peninsular Malaysia, which is Perlis, Kedah, Penang and Perak. Environment Idaman Sendirian Berhad was established by E-Idaman in 2004 to handle the federal government concession for solid waste management and public cleansing management. E-Idaman also established Green Resource Recovery Sendirian Berhad in 2015 in order to access non-concession industry such as recycling, composition and landfill management. It also serves as one-stop center for the collection of recyclable material of any kind including paper, plastic, metal and electrical appliances for further processing and recycling. The Idaman vision is preserving our environment and their mission is to lead the solid waste management industry through creation, innovation and promotion of environmental awareness for sustainable development. They are also dedicated to maximize shareholder return of investment and continuously training, reward and develop the staff by fostering high performance culture. Next, I will explain about the organization analysis. First is the organization strength. So, E-Idaman has advantage in terms of technology that benefit both company and society. They have technology like the Idaman Exchange application. The Idaman Exchange application purpose is to facilitate recycling activities by making it easier for users to locate recycling center and check the prices of recycled goods. Idaman Exchange was also created to reward users who engage in recycling activities. This technology facilitated effective operation, data management and recycling activities that show a robust knowledge management system. E-Idaman also has several places for recycling activity, which is the Drive-Thru Recycle Center (DTRC). This project is supported by the Solid Waste Corporation (SW Corp) and E-Idaman also provide this facility to facilitate residents to carry out recycling activities. E-Idaman took over the duties of local authorities (PBT) by signing a 22-year consensus agreement with the federal government. After the takeover, E-Idaman has received positive reaction from the community. The implementation of Drive-Thru Recycle Center and Consensus Agreement highlight the structure processes that show the organization ability to manage and utilize knowledge effectively. E-Idaman also use Geographic Information System (GIS) technology in its operation for mapping new housing estate using drone so that E-Idaman can obtain data. The use of advanced technology such as Idaman Exchange and GIS show that Idaman capabilities in technology and operation. Idaman also can continuously assess the effectiveness of its operation by using data from Idaman Exchange apps and GIS technology for internal audits and performance metrics. Next is the weakness of the organization. E-Idaman has disadvantage in terms of operating costs. For example, E-Idaman received instruction from the SW Corp to use a new type of truck which make the operating cost to increase. E-Idaman also want to control the cost of data storage which involve the use of wasteful paper. Therefore, E-Idaman changed the method of storing data and report from paper to digital data storage to reduce operating costs. E-Idaman also has an increase in staff to 1,000 people, which causes an increase in the expense of paying workers' salary. They also have to spend a lot on maintenance costs for vehicle. E-Idaman has provided rented trash can and service offered by them. They also provide paid service in sectors such as factory and restaurant. They will also charge a fee if there is a lot of excess garbage. E-Idaman also has a side business which is recycling. The community can sell the recyclable item to E-Idaman. This shows the potential for expanding services that represent opportunity for growth and leverage its existing resources and potencies to explore new methods. E-Idaman faced the challenge of educating the public to use the E-Idaman exchange application for recycling activities. They also want to reduce the amount of recycled materials in the landfill and shorten the disposal period from 20 years to 4 or 5 years. E-Idaman also want to educate the public to practice the correct way of garbage disposal. They also need to find income for their operation and to show the best service to the community to receive funding from activities that involve community cooperation.
So I will continue this discussion by explain about the strategies in knowledge management that implemented in E-Idaman. So there are several strategies that has been implemented by E-Idaman. So the first strategy is knowledge sharing culture. So a knowledge sharing culture is an organizational environment where employees are encouraged and facilitated to share their expertise, information, and experiences with one another. So in E-Idaman, they encourage their employees to share their knowledge after participated in any program that distributed by the company. So the employees that have the knowledge about certain things have to share it with their another colleague. This culture fosters continuous learning, collaboration, and also innovation. The second strategy is performance measurement and improvement, or also known as KPI. So, performance measurement and improvement is the tools that provide feedback on knowledge management for the continuous improvement to achieve organizational goals. So, in E-Idaman, KPI is one of the strategies that used in knowledge management, which is E-Idaman has provided a guideline to the employees in every service that they serve to the public. So, from this guideline, the employees have the knowledge about how to manage their job accordingly. The third strategies is cultural change and learning environment. So in E-Idaman, they provide training programs and workshops to encourage ongoing skills development. E-Idaman also provide incentive and rewards. So they implementing recognition programs that rewards employees for contributing to the organization's knowledge base. So let's move to the question how E-Idaman continuously improve in knowledge management. So how E-Idaman continuously improve in knowledge management is by implementing their current knowledge about their service to expand more on the innovation. So this implementation is to maintain or remain relevant in these industries and also to changing business needs. For example, E-Idaman has created a vehicle named one-man operator side loader, which can decrease workload among the employees. So this innovation also can help E-Idaman to stay adaptable in their business line by always improving their technologies according to current trends.
For this part, I will explain on what mechanism used in this organization. E-Idaman has applied software system tools like ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and CRM that stands for Customer Relationship Management to improve efficiency and reach goals. The first tools used by E-Idaman is MRF that stands for Material Recovery Facility. This company works really hard to reduce the amount of waste, where they collect various recyclable waste such as cardboards, papers, and aluminium by manually sorting them to meet the recycling market needs. Next, they have Pusat Community Lestari, PKL, which known like a big team that works to handle trash in a good way. in the northern part of Malaysia, and they do whatever to make sure the trash does not harm the environment. Firstly, they sort the trash according to its types. Second, they move it to the right places where it can be dealt properly. Next, they separate things that can be recycled from the things they cannot. And lastly, they will get rid of what the trash that can be used and recyclable. Thirdly, E-Idaman has come out with a clever solution called AD anaerobic digester to solve the problem of food waste. They decided to try it out at 3 different places, Kubang Pasu, Kulim, and Langkawi. They used the model of Caltech 500 because it doesn't cost a lot. Instead of throwing the food away, they put the food waste in this digester without use any oxygen to break it down, the food waste into two things which are biogas and superfood. This organization also has implemented AVLS, the Automatic Vehicle Locate System, that use technology GSM and GPS to help keep track of vehicles, which is in the context is garbage trucks. It have a digital maps, shows the location for managers to see in computer screen, also to tell if there's something emergency or unusual happen. E-Idaman does not want to miss out the advancement of technologies by develop their own mobile app called M-Response. M-Response works on Android and tablets, and this app is made for bosses to keep an eye for their workers. This organization also has stepping up their game by using drone technology called unmanned aerial vehicle that fly from above to take pictures and keep tracks of the things, and also to update and check inventory database. Next, to ensure effective knowledge sharing and skill development within an organization, E-Idaman has provided different facilities to employees by giving them a regular briefing, organizing internal forums and webinars, providing company assets like vehicles and hotel accommodations for business trips, and they also create knowledge and community spaces for knowledge sharing session, and also offer employees specific training programs such as Microsoft Excel and English language courses. As reward in return, certificate of the training is given as a reward for them. They treated their employee equally by giving them birthday gifts and also celebrate various festival and welfare along with the bonuses awarded based on their scoring card each month.
Next, I will explain about how E-Idaman use their key performance indicators or KPI. E-Idaman use a scorecard methodology to measure KPI to ensure effective knowledge management and organizational performance. So, each department has a tailored scorecard to track relevant KPI, monitor progress, and identify areas for improvement. This system fosters accountability and continuous improvement. There are three key elements. The first element is departmental scorecards. These scorecards will help the organization to keep track of how well each department is doing. This will show on what's working well and what needs to be fixed. This helps the organization to improve all the time. The second element is compliance enforcement. E-Idaman have provide their own rules that include penalties and fines for not meeting their standards. For example, if the staff who not make a cleaning properly, it will deduct their score. Therefore, this method will help to make sure all employees does their job well. Then, the third element is competitive dynamics. The KPI system of E-Idaman make a scoreboard for each department in order to make sure they do their best. This method encourages teamwork and new ideas, which making everyone want to excel. In short, E-Idaman KPI strategy helps them make a better decisions, improve their performance, and reach their goals. This keeps E-Idaman strong and become a competitive organization.
So now I will continue the presentation with the evaluation of E-Idaman technology infrastructure. In my opinion, E-Idaman technology infrastructures align well with the organization objective. One of the ways to be an advanced company, E-Idaman upgraded their trucks. For instance, in Langkawi, they use a special truck to clean the beach, loosen the sand, to get the litter, and to sweep the area. Moreover, they also did an experiment for garbage truck like in Europe that only use drivers and only robots that will lift the garbage can. They use this technology to reduce the number of staff in service activities. However, they are not fully successful in changing the mentality of the community in the advanced technology. Besides that, they only have machine as tool to wash deep drains that are mostly full of garbage and mud. Other than that, since E-Idaman covers a relatively wide area in the northern states, they utilize the function of drones as one of the newest technologies to mapping the area accurately. So there will be no area that will be left out when they collect the garbage. Next, I will talk about knowledge management tools and platform. There are several knowledge management tools and platform that could align well with EIDAMA needs, considering their focus on advanced technology and operational efficiency. The first suitable knowledge management tools and platform for EIDAMAN is Confluence, which is a web-based corporate wiki developed by Australian software company Atlassian. The features are knowledge-based creation, team collaboration, project documentation, and integration with Jira. The reason for choosing this platform is its user-friendly interface for creating and managing knowledge, strong collaboration tools, and integration with project management tool. Confluence offers a user-friendly platform for creating and managing knowledge base, which support the principle of making knowledge accessible and usable. Amrit Tiwana emphasized the importance of making knowledge creation and retrieval easy for users. Confluence intuitive interface and strong collaboration features facilitate knowledge sharing and usage across teams, enhancing organizational learning and innovation. Next, Notion is among the best tools and platform for the management of e-idaman. The platform allows us to do note tasking, task management, database creation, and real-time collaboration. The benefit of this platform is its flexible workspace that can be tailored to various needs, strong support for team collaboration, and easy integration with other tools. Additionally, Notion provides flexible workspace that can be tailored to various needs, supporting Amrit Tiwana concept of adaptability in knowledge management system. Adaptability is crucial for meeting diverse and changing organizational needs. Notion customizable database, note-taking, and task management features allow e-idaman to adapt the platform to their specific requirements, promoting effective knowledge management. Last but not least, the tools and platform that e-idaman can practice is Zendesk knowledge. This is because it is ideal for creating service resources, integration with customer support operation, and valuable insight through analytics. The platform contains knowledge-based creation, customer support integration, analytic, and community forums. Zendesk knowledge integrates with customer support, providing a seamless self-service experience, aligning with the principle of integrating knowledge management with customer-facing operation. Integrating knowledge management with customer support enhance service quality and efficiency. Zendesk Knowledge allows e-idaman to provide self-service resources and streamline customer interaction, improving overall service delivery. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
As conclusion, E-Idaman stands out in knowledge management by using advanced technology and diverse tools for recycling and waste management. They employ structured process like KPI for high standards and accountability. Their strategies focus on capturing, sharing, and using knowledge to boost efficiency and competitiveness. Clear communication, training, and organized system foster continuous learning and knowledge sharing among employees and the community. E-Idaman effectively manage knowledge to support daily operation, long-term goals, and industrial leadership while promoting sustainability and community engagement. So that's all from us. Thank you.